discuss periodic trends in properties of elements. There are many observational patterns in chemical and physical properties of elements. For example, in a period, elements of group 1 has high reactivity or they are high reactive. But in the middle, of the periodic table, it is lower, and for group number 17 elements, it is maximum. Also, elements of group 1, as we go down, as we move from top to bottom, reactivity increases. Same way, group 17, elements of group 17, as we move down from top to bottom, reactivity decreases. We will discuss here some physical properties like screening effect and effective nuclear charge. These two terms are important to understand some trends in physical properties. First, we understand what is screening effect. The decrease in force of attraction on valence electron due to inner shell electrons is known as screening effect. The decrease in force of attraction on valence electron due to inner shell electrons is known as screening effect. Simply it can be understood by drawing this simple diagram. Cell number 1, cell number 2. Electrons are attracted towards nucleus, but here there is repulsion also, and because of these repulsive forces, electron experiences less attraction towards the nucleus. Now, because of screening effect, because of screening effect. Nuclear charge decreases, which is also known as effective nuclear charge. It is denoted by Z star, effective nuclear charge. As we move down the group, screening effect increases, but in a period screening effect decreases. Also, we can understand that in a period screening effect decreases. Also, we can say Z star, that is effective nuclear charge, is equal to nuclear charge minus sigma. Z is equal to nuclear charge and sigma is known as screening constant. Slater's rule to know screening constant, first rule, for the species having one electron, sigma is equal to 0. For the species like He, sigma is equal to 0.30. For Ns and Np electron, sigma is equal to 0.35. For N-1 electron, sigma is equal to 0.85, and for N-2 electron, sigma is equal to 1.00. For the species having one electron, sigma is equal to 0. For the species like helium 1s2, sigma is equal to 0.30. Ns and Np electron, sigma is equal to 0.35. For N-1 electron, sigma is equal to 0.85, and for N-2 electron, sigma is equal to 1.00. After knowing Slater's rule, we calculate effective nuclear charge for Zn. Atomic number of Zn is 30. Electronic configuration of zinc is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10 and 4s2. So we have 10 electron is N-2, 18 electron as n minus 1 and 1 electron from 4s orbital. So sigma is calculated as 10 into 1.00 plus 18 into 0.85 plus 1 into 0.35. On simplification, we will get 25.65. Therefore, effective nuclear charge is equal to Z30 minus sigma 25.65. So we will get 4.35. So effective nuclear charge is equal to 4.35. Also, screening effect for same cell, the order is S greater P greater D greater F. Screening effect for the same cell, the order of screening effect is S greater P greater D greater F. Also, screening effect of D and F orbital is poor.